So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back in another video, which is not a vlog now. This is a video. As you have seen the title, I'm just doing what will work for me and for my YouTube channel. So there's nothing like I'm doing only one thing. I'm just doing vlogging, and it's not like that. Okay, what I feel like will work for me, I'll do that, and I'll switch to other things as well whenever I feel like. Okay, and that's it. So अब शुरू करते हैं. What will happen? What's going to happen in this video? I decided to share my honest reviews with you all about each and every product I've ever used in my life. So let's not waste time and let's dive into the video. So the first thing I wanted to show you and I want to share with you about my products, like be it skincare, be it lipsticks, be it makeup. Like I don't use makeup so much. I have been recently using, I just want my under eyes to, I just wanted concealer to hide my under eyes. That's it. Baki I don't care because I think I have done much skincare to look like this. Or maybe I'll tell you about this.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
Not just skincare, health play a major role in your skincare and
अच्छा, हमको सिखा दिया.
just digest it. Okay, just digest it. So let's start with serums. Actually, so the first thing I want to share with you is this. You think I'm crazy? I used 2 of them and you must be thinking कि तीसरी बॉटल क्यों नहीं ली इसने, wasn't it worth it? तो अगर पहली बॉटल से कुछ नहीं होता दूसरी बॉटल. I tell you everything. So क्या हुआ, this bottle I bought, मैंने एक इंस्टा पे वीडियो देखी थी कि yeah this is the best, like 14 days में आपका स्किन क्लियर ग्लोइंग हो जाएगा, and it did happen. It genuinely did happen. और मुझे लगा खत्म होने वाली है, but this was not over. Okay, it had so much of it. So this came and this was not finished. I used this and I used this. It was pretty good, but I started having pimples. Before this is niacinamide one. Yeah, niacinamide clarifying serum. Before this I have used minimalist niacinamide serum and also deconstruct vitamin C. I swear to God, deconstruct vitamin C से मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. I don't know, or maybe I never used it that frequently or on time or regularly. I think so. Maybe that will be a problem. That might be a problem. But generally मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. And I generally speak, जो niacinamide वाला minimalist वाला था उससे मुझे बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा, क्योंकि वो मेरा पहला सीरम था जो मैंने कुछ बड़े ब्रांड का लिया था. उससे पहले I was using just normal serums which were not even doing something. So after this God thought कि कुछ ज़्यादा खुश हो रही है तो मैं ब्लैक पिंपल्स दे देता हूँ. And I don't know what the hell happened, जो मेरी शक्ल पे पिंपल आने लगे. I was like क्यों? And I thought एकदम से पिंपल्स, something is fishy. Then I switched to salicylic acid minimalist. I am a really fan of minimalist. I actually want to buy ordinary serums, but they are a bit too expensive for me. So I am sticking to minimalist for a while actually. So this is over. And now this serum did wonders. I'll show you how my face was looking before and I'll show you how my face is looking now. Like the scars are still there, but I don't know what happened, but like my face is pretty clear now than this. So and the next thing, actually I thought कि मैं creams या moisturizers पे जाऊँ, but I really want to show you my lipsticks. One, like lipstick in the sense lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner, everything is included. So don't say comments में कि ये तो lipstick बता रही है, क्या दिखा रही है हमें. Please, okay, just calm down. Actually आधी इनमें से they're my mom's. लाइक दो ही हैं एक्चुअली, आधी तो ऐसे बोल रही हूँ. लाइक आई हैव स्टार्टेड बाइंग माई ओन लिपस्टिक्स rather than putting mom's lipstick. So let's start. What is it? Lip liners. So first of all, this is a one lipstick which I thought I should buy on. I saw this on Nykaa. It's a Swiss Beauty and I don't think this is good. I don't think. Like it's good, मतलब color अच्छा, but the texture is like so dry, so dry. Like I'll show you. ये dry भी नहीं है, but this does not apply smoothly on my lips. Like you can see. ये I kid you not. I swear to God, ऐसे नहीं होता था apply. Is it looking good on me? I think a bit. Yes. Let's just wipe it off. So this was the one lipstick. I don't think for me it's worth it, but like I don't think for me it's worth it. You can try this if you want. मैंने हमारी वीडियो सो इसमें मुझे हम वही मेन थी, मैंने कुछ बोला. This one मम्मी की है, so I don't think. This is giving me Barbie vibes, you know. You can touch. You can play.
I'm a Barbie girl.
I think not suitable on my skin tone. And this one is actually my favorite. पहले मेरी favorite थी क्योंकि जब मेरे पास कोई लिपस्टिक नहीं थी अपनी. And this used to be my favorite one. You can see the shade. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is really good actually and goes with my skin tone, but I don't use this much क्योंकि now I have my own lipsticks. Actually, I wanna correct myself. मेरे पास एक भी लिपस्टिक नहीं है, एक वो थी जो मैंने दिखाई Swiss Beauty वाली, and I have only lip glosses actually. So I wanna show you my favorite lip gloss after all. Cherry Cola, Candlelicious. I saw this in a shop and I was there to buy something else, but I saw this and I decided at that moment कि ये तो मैं लेकर रहूँगी.
तो करना, परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से.
चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. So this and this lip liner, my sister suggested me this one and this is fab. Okay. Look at the lighter. सो तो बड़ी अच्छा लगता है, बट लिप लाइनर थोड़ा सा डार्क हो गया है. Isn't this looking so good? My favorite lip combo. अरे बस कर भाई, ओ पागल कर दिया, पीछे छोड़. Let's just wipe it off. मुझे I swear to God, जब भी मैं लिप कॉम्बो लगाती हूँ for someone to show or for a video or anything else for like 2 or 3 minutes or like some seconds, and I have to wipe it off. I feel so sad. I feel genuinely so sad. Wasted.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
YouTube के लिए इतना तो कर ही सकती हूँ भाई.
तो करना, परेशान हो गए हम लोग.
And also this is also a lip liner which is my mom's. I have no idea how is it. I think I have to use this again and I have to wipe it again. Please. Why? Okay. पूरा लगाना पड़ेगा. This is the second lip combo. Actually, I like the first one more. This is also good actually when you want a subtle look, like a simple look. There was something kind of attitude वाला look. So this is simple. मुझे लगता है रेडिश चीजें पसंद नहीं है अपने लिप्स पे.
तो रहने दो फिर.
So the second lip gloss Swiss Beauty का ये है. Actually I don't like it because this is so much sticky and this is so much like you can apply this on some lipstick, or when you're done with a lip combo which does not contain any lip gloss, you can apply this. I don't like it right now. This is the third one. Actually this was transparent. This is also from Swiss Beauty, I guess. No, this is not from, this is also from Swiss Beauty actually. So this was transparent, but मैंने ये lipstick में लगा के आगे इसमें थोड़ा कलर चेंज हो गया. This is the transparent one. Okay, you can apply with this with any lipstick or lip combo. Rough lips. Okay, so this was all about lipsticks. Oh shit. इसको बाद में निकाला. वैसे वो मैरून वाला था तो I have no regrets. Guys, this video is getting too long, or I don't want my first or second YouTube video to be this long, so I think I'm gonna hop to the part 2 and show you there the other things. Bye.